In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mailerlite API key. First, go ahead and log in to your Mailerlite account by visiting their main app website and entering your usual login details. Once you're inside your dashboard, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the layout, because the menu placements can vary slightly depending on updates, but the overall structure stays similar. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations area. In most accounts, you'll either see an Integrations option in the left-hand sidebar, or you might need to click on your profile icon, usually in the upper corner, and then select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Take a second to look carefully, because sometimes it's grouped with other settings or tools. Once you're on the Integrations page, scroll until you find the section labeled Mailerlite API. In that section, look for a button that says Use or something very similar. Go ahead and click that. This is what takes you into the specific area where you can manage your API access. You should now be on the Developer API page. Here, you'll see a section called API Tokens. This is where all your existing tokens would appear if you've created any before. To create a new one, click the button that says Generate New Token. That's the starting point for creating a fresh API key you can connect to other tools and services. A pop-up window will appear asking for a name for your new token. Type in a clear, descriptive name so you'll remember what this token is used for later. For example, you might name it something like Website Integration or E-commerce Store Connection. The exact name is up to you, but make sure it's specific enough that you won't get confused if you create more tokens in the future. Below the name field, you'll see a checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Read through them if you'd like, then tick the box to confirm that you agree. When you're ready, click the Create Token button. Mailerlite will now generate a brand new API key for you. Your new key will be displayed on the screen. This is the most important part. Copy that key right away and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager or a protected notes app. For security reasons, Mailerlite will not show this key again once you leave the page. You can also choose to download it as a text file if that's more convenient. Keep it safe, and you're done.